How was TikTok made? There's no doubt that any one of you who spent even a little bit of time on social media in recent years is aware of TikTok, the app that has quickly become a global phenomenon. From the latest trends to the latest memes and even the latest news, it's a hub where all of these things can be found and more. But how could a platform that launched at such a mature point in the social media landscape have taken over in such a massive way? How did TikTok ever reach the heights it soars at today? Today, we'll answer all that and more as we explore exactly how TikTok was made. Background and creation. TikTok is the brainchild of ByteDance, a Chinese technology company founded by Zhang Yiming in 2012. Its overarching mission has been to leverage technology to create innovative and engaging content platforms that resonate with a global audience. ByteDance gained prominence initially with its news aggregator app, Taotiao, which utilized artificial intelligence to deliver personalized news content to users. In fact, the use of artificial intelligence went on to become a bit of a signature move for the company and would be a driving force behind its success with TikTok in later years. In September 2016, ByteDance launched an app called Douyin in China, which is a short-form video sharing application that allowed users to create and share videos ranging from 15 to 60 seconds. The app quickly became known for its innovative and user-friendly features, enabling creators to produce engaging content through a variety of creative tools. Recognizing the potential for global expansion, ByteDance then launched Douyin internationally under the name TikTok in 2017. Their hunch was right, as by the end of 2018, TikTok had become one of the most downloaded apps globally, and its user base was predominantly composed of teenagers and young adults. The app's appeal stemmed from its ability to offer a diverse range of content, from dance challenges to comedic skits, fostering a sense of community and creativity among its users. Then, in 2018, ByteDance made a significant move by acquiring Musical.ly, a short-form video app with a focus on lip-syncing to popular songs. This acquisition played a crucial role in TikTok's evolution, as it allowed ByteDance to merge the user bases of Musical.ly and Douyin, creating a more extensive and diverse community. Musical.ly's appeal to younger audiences, especially teenagers, brought a unique flavor to TikTok's content landscape. Features and evolution. Unlike most other social media platforms, TikTok is deeply intertwined with the idea of user-generated content, or UGC. A big part of the platform's success comes from its ability to democratize content creation, allowing anyone with a smartphone to become a content creator. This emphasis on UGC has not only made TikTok much more engaging than others, but has also led to many new trends and online challenges. By the way, if you're hooked so far, a sub to the channel would be fantastic, and it would ensure that you don't miss out on more content just like this. Thanks. Another major player in TikTok's success is the introduction and evolution of innovative features to help with user collaboration. Notable among these features are Duet and React. The Duet feature enables users to create split-screen videos with another user, enabling creative partnerships and collaboration. React allows users to react to existing videos, adding another layer of engagement. A core feature for TikTok's success is also its sophisticated use of AI algorithms for content recommendation. The platform employs machine learning to analyze user behavior, preferences, and interactions, tailoring the content feed to individual users. The For You page, powered by these algorithms, serves a curated selection of videos, ensuring that users are exposed to content that they'd be interested in most. TikTok's ability to understand their user base and their preferences has been a key factor in keeping them engaged and always discovering fun and interesting new content. Because of its viral and trend-driven nature, TikTok has given rise to a new generation of influencers and content creators who have found fame and success through the platform. The algorithm's democratic nature allows aspiring creators to gain visibility and followers quickly. Many TikTok influencers have leveraged their popularity to collaborate with brands, launch their products, or even transition into careers in entertainment. From dancers and comedians to educators and activists, TikTok has become a breeding ground for unique and impactful content creators. Expansion and global success. Although TikTok's origin lies in China on the Douyin platform, Since it launched internationally, the app has experienced explosive growth across the world. It strategically entered various international markets, tailoring its content to resonate with local cultures and trends. The app's seamless localization efforts, along with a simple and friendly interface, helped with its rapid adoption in all kinds of regions, making it one of the most downloaded apps globally. Initially popular among teenagers and young adults, the app has gone on to gain traction among users of all ages. Key markets include the United States, India, Europe, and Southeast Asia. The platform's ability to attract a diverse user base has made it a cultural phenomenon, influencing trends, music, and internet culture globally. The success of TikTok is further enhanced by strategic partnerships and collaborations. The app has engaged in partnerships with music labels, allowing users to incorporate popular songs into their videos seamlessly. Monetization and business model. As it has evolved, TikTok has become more than just a platform for creative expression. It has also become a lucrative space for monetization. The app's primary revenue streams include in-app advertising, sponsored content, and partnerships with brands, which can be leveraged by businesses and content creators to benefit from reaching a vast audience. TikTok has also forged valuable partnerships with numerous brands and advertisers, looking to tap into the app's massive user base. These brands use TikTok as an excellent platform for their advertisements, creating interactive campaigns that can resonate with the app's younger audience. This unique advertising format leads to a really creative showcase of products and services, often through collaborations with popular TikTok creators. In addition to traditional advertising, TikTok incorporates in-app purchases and virtual gifts as part of its monetization strategy. Users can buy virtual gifts and send them to their favorite creators during live streams as a form of appreciation. This not only enhances the interaction between creators and their audience, but also provides a direct source of income for content creators. Impact on pop culture. There's no denying the huge number of viral trends and challenges that come from TikTok, owing to the platform's unique ability to turn user-generated content into global phenomena. The app's algorithm and recommendations only amplify these trends, ensuring that they reach the vastest possible audience and become ingrained in pop culture. Then there's the impact on the music industry, which can't be overlooked. TikTok has catapulted songs to the top of charts, turning relatively unknown tracks into international hits. The ability for users to easily create and share content with popular music has provided a new avenue for artists to gain exposure and connect with a broader audience. Musical trends and the entertainment landscape as a whole are being shaped by TikTok to this day. And beyond just music and dance trends, TikTok has also played a significant role in shaping internet culture. The app's format encourages creativity, authenticity, and humor, leading to the creation of a unique online subculture. Internet memes, slang, and references often originate on TikTok and quickly spread to other social media platforms. The platform's influence extends beyond its user base, impacting the way people communicate and express themselves online. Challenges and controversies. Despite its massive success, TikTok has faced scrutiny and criticism over privacy concerns and data security issues. The app's extensive data collection practices to feed its content recommendation algorithm, including user location, device information, and browsing history, have raised questions about the protection and potential misuse of user data. Governments in various countries have expressed concerns about the app's data practices, leading to investigations and calls for increased transparency and accountability. TikTok has also encountered regulatory challenges in several countries, leading to legal battles and potential bans. Because of the data security concerns, governments have raised issues related to national security and the potential influence of foreign entities. To tackle these concerns and controversies, TikTok has taken multiple proactive measures to maintain trust. To address data concerns, TikTok has made efforts to establish local data storage facilities and comply with regulatory requirements in different regions. It has also increased transparency regarding its data practices, implementing stricter content moderation policies, and engaged in dialogue with regulators to address their specific concerns. There is something to be said here for TikTok's upfront response to controversies, which does reflect a commitment to adapt and evolve its practices to maintain public trust. So, now you know the story of how a single app on your phone went from being a niche platform in China to evolving into a global phenomenon that, to this day, shapes the culture of the very entertainment industry as we know it, and pumps out the latest viral trends, music, and memes every single day. Hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching.